Hey, welcome back. I'm sorry it's been a while. Tonight I'm going to do a couple of blooms. The first one is a 6x6 tile, and then the next one is actually a 12x36 canvas. Obviously, that is going to be the biggest one I've done yet, so I'm a little nervous about it, but I'm going to give it my best shot. The colors, I'm basically using the same colors for both. This is just kind of a test run for the most part. The colors I'm using are violet or purple. Honestly, it was already pre-mixed, so I'm really not sure what brand it was. And then I added some ColourArte Wine and Roses on top of that, followed by uh, Mermaid. This little Piggy type of pigment, or yeah, followed by some Indigo Waves, which is also by this little Piggy. It's pretty cool. Has a green shimmer in the light. I did add Azo Gold and some ColourArte Sunflower, and also Ginger Flower by ColourArte on top of Magenta, which is a golden magenta, and also like a phthalo blue. So I got a lot of colors in here. Really not sure how it's gonna pan out. Um, for the most part, these are the colors of my kiddos that she wanted. So I'm trying to actually accomplish that, because I get reminded every single time she passes her canvas that I haven't done her painting yet. So yeah. So here's a close-up of the tile. For the most part, I kind of like it. Sadly, you can't really tell or get the shimmer of the pigments and stuff. So what I did off the camera was I added my base paint. Again, this is purple, followed by the, what was it, ColourArte Wine and Roses, which is a nice darker type of violet. Pop some air bubbles and stuff. This is actually this little Piggy mermaid color, which is it's an awesome color, especially when you can see it in the light. Followed by Phthalo Blue, that's Azo Gold, and I really don't have any rhyme or reason on what colors I'm going. This is actually this little Piggy Indigo Waves, which does have like an interference type of green to it. And that color is ColourArte Ginger Flower. It's crazy. They don't even look the same in the container. This is the ColourArte Sunflower color. Haven't really had the best of luck with some of the yellows, but I figured she wanted it in there, so what the heck. And that's just a magenta color. So I am swiping this, and due to the fact of this being the biggest one, and I didn't want to waste a lot of paint, so I really did go a little too slow on this. I probably could have got a bigger tool, or I could have braved the blow dryer and done it that way, but I don't know. I'm just wasn't brave enough to do that just yet, because and that's a lot of paint, especially when they seem to be canceling all of the pouring medium stuff that we use here in the U.S. So I really don't want to waste it. Again, what I probably could have done is where the colors kind of where I'm swiping and leaving like the little extra U-shape oval colors. I probably could have went back in with a smaller utensil and tried to swipe out a little bit more, but I was just gonna leave it. I mean, I kind of like where you can see some of the colors. Also, another thing that I did off the camera was, for a sheer fact of trying to cover my canvas and due to the fact that this wall paint tends to dry just because of where I'm at, I try to scrape it with my finger to make sure that it doesn't leave like a ridge or something on the canvas due to the fact that the edges dried a little bit. So I did that off the camera. I really don't know how I'm going to tilt this just because I don't want paint everywhere, but hey, it is what it is. So I got a couple things I want to do, at least here in the near future. I'd like to do some more Dutch pours with just water and paint. I just haven't decided what I want to do. Even been looking at Pinterest. Still don't know what color combo to do. Alright, so here's the part I hate. I hate tilting these because the cells kind of disappear. And I know you can make your activator a little bit thicker or to try to maintain the cells. I really prefer to spin it out, as it tends to hold it a little bit better when you spin stuff out. Right now the edges have kind of dried just a little bit, so I'm trying to add a little bit extra paint to try to run it off a little bit without losing my main cells. So again, sorry for the tilting. I'll get it back in frame. Alright, so here's a close-up of it. There's a couple places I would have loved to at least get some of the color all the way out to the edges, but I'm really, it's gonna mess up the cells, so I'm not even gonna do that. I mean, the more you stretch it, the more you tend to lose sometimes. I really enjoy the outcome of this. Honestly, it could have went a lot worse. Hopefully this has helped some of you. If you have any questions, just leave a comment or whatever. I'll get back to you. Again, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That's my favorite spot. So anyway, I would appreciate it. Thank you again. Take care.